We are going to start this task with the aim of registering and participating in LinkedIn, the main professional social network.
The first impression we can get from LinkedIn is that it's a CV on a web page. We will discover that this is really much more than that.
LinkedIn is a social network. Therefore, it shares some characteristics with other social networks, such as you are part of a virtual community, where you can interact with other users and companies. Allows you to send messages and hold conversations in real time.
What is LinkedIn? We have already said that LinkedIn is a social network, and that it is also the largest professional network in the world. We can define it, therefore, as a professional social network.
Apart from what we have commented before, LinkedIn has a series of features that allow you to obtain a greater profitability when looking for a job. You're allowed to search directly for people. Depending on your CV, the platform suggests you people, companies or interest groups to follow. You can join groups. You can visit the company profiles and see if they have some active offer. You can create a professional contact network, better than in other social networks, like Facebook. Job offers are suggested for your profile.
Using this professional social network can provide you with advantages, such as it's free. You can update immediately. Companies access your fully updated CV. You have contacts, companies, offers, as well as updated and constant training.
How do I start using LinkedIn? The first thing you should do is creating an account in the social network, through the address you see on the screen. To sign up, use your formal email, and your real name and surnames. Once you have entered your name, surname, email and password, you must click on Join Now to create your profile. Then, a series of screens appear, with basic information that you must fill, such as your location, your last job, or last company.
Before getting into the social network, LinkedIn will begin suggesting you people you may know, through your email, or people you may know and who might be interested to belong to your contacts, due to your professional affinity.
It is important that you add a photo to your profile. Accounts that do not have a photo are not very credible. You can add a passport-type photo, or one that represents you. Choose it well. It is your image towards others.
When you complete your profile, LinkedIn gives you the option to download your app. Remember that the app is the website application for your mobile.
We recommend that you create your profile through a computer, to be able to add all the content you need, and that you download the app to be able to access LinkedIn, at any time, from anywhere. Once you have the app on your mobile, you can perform the same actions that you would do from the computer, but in a more comfortable way.
Once you have completed these previous steps, you will see the social network interface you would see whenever you access LinkedIn. If you have missed something to fill in, dates, connect with known people, etc., it will appear indicated at the top. You can do it at this moment, or leave it for doing it later.
At the top, you have the general menu. Home is the main page. In My Network you will see all your contacts. In Jobs you will see the offers you have saved, the ones you have requested, and if you want to publish an offer. All the messages that you have sent to companies or to other profiles will appear in messaging. Any pending LinkedIn notification will appear in the notifications section. In the section Me, you can configure your profile.
Once we have configured our account, and we already know what are the main sections used for, we will add all our information to create our online CV.
In the section Me, click on View Profile. A page will appear where you can add your data. The way to work on LinkedIn to fill in your data is very easy and intuitive. You can always access them to modify.
The sections appearing where you should fill in are Cover Page. You can add a cover photo and modify your profile picture. Here you can set the name you want to appear with, the job and a presentation. Work Experience. This section is very complete and you can specify dates, companies, work done, position, people in charge, etc. Education. Add all your training. Volunteer experience. Add everything you are passionate about and how you like to contribute to society. Skills. Show your professional qualities. Accomplishments. Add your achievements here. Supported languages. To add your profile in another language.
A very interesting section is additional information, since, through it, we can request a recommendation. It is important that those who have worked with you, or know that you have some capacity, leave a comment on LinkedIn, endorsing that skill.
Like all social networks, LinkedIn will be easier to manage the more you use it. We recommend that you open an account and add your basic information. In order to be more effective to add data when creating your CV on LinkedIn, it is important that you have a hard copy or a document on your computer. Now, let's see how we can manage privacy on LinkedIn. At the page bottom, or footer, there is a section called Manage Your Account and Privacy. From this link, you can control all aspects of your account, your network information, LinkedIn activity, preferences, contacts, etc.
In this same section you can configure your account data, login, passwords, etc.
Once you have your account set up and all the CV data added, it's the time to start interacting in the social network. We will go deeper into this section in the next task. Let's see a summary of the conclusions of this task. Having your CV ready when you are about to start creating your LinkedIn account. Taking the time to enter all the information you want people to know about you. Downloading the app and not being afraid. Just interacting, you can get the most out. Remember, it is a social network to talk only about work-related issues or professional interests.
If you send your CV in paper format, or by email, include your address on LinkedIn. This way, companies can add you to their contact network, and keep you always present.